Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. For today's video I have this amazing look created with these two palettes. One side is with this one and other side with this one. What side do you think is this one and this one? Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm so excited, I'm so happy because you know, every time that you can use a product that has a look and you can afford that product makes me happy. So here there are. This is the Huda palette, this is the Ruby, as you can see, and this one by Beauty Glazed. This is Mars, this is cruelty free. So let's gonna swatches first and then let's go to the tutorial. As you can see, these colors, well, these 2, 3, 4 shades, they're completely different. Well, as you can see, the shades are just similar, but they're not like a taupe. So let's gonna do the swatches. This one the Huda palette and this one the Beauty Glazed. So gorgeous, this color. Oh my god, so beautiful. So pretty. Let's go to Beauty Glazed. Wow, that pigment. This is more powdery, but the pigment is real. It's pretty too. This is more rosy. hard to notice because it's my skin color almost. I'm impressed with Beauty Glaze. Beauty Glaze. So the comparison, Huda Beauty, Beauty Glaze. Alright, I'm gonna wash my hands, I'm gonna wash my arms and I'll be back with the tutorial. On this side, Huda Beauty. On this side, Beauty Glaze. I'm gonna start with the lightest shade. Let's go on this side with this shade. Let's take this shade because then this has a mirror. Mars. I'm gonna use this one, but I know it's so different, so let's see what happened here. Deeper. I'm gonna use this one. You know what? In the middle, I'm gonna use the middle one. So cute. Let's use this one. I'm gonna use this shade. Okay, this side is clean. This looks very different. I don't think this much, but let's see. Yeah, so different. Do you remember that I told you I have still a taupe? It's a good time to try this too. I don't have the same shade, but let's see. This one is by Stila and this one is by Hem Punk. So I'm not gonna use these two because they are different. This is diamond dust and this is like a pinky. So I'm gonna use this the same both sides.
Like it. We need to film another video with this.
Let's take this color. I know this is more pigmented. I'm gonna do my eyeliner and my lashes, and I'm gonna use this mascara, and I'll be back. Alright, I don't know if I love or I hate this, but I don't know. I think the highlighters in jelly, I don't like it. Blush, Milani. I already bronzed my face with the BH Cosmetics, and now I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics lipstick too. And I'm gonna add this Wet n Wild glitters lipstick, glittery lipstick. I'll set my face with this MAC setting spray. I already set, but I set it again. Which side do you prefer?